How to find new projects that have the potential to be listed on Binance Alpha directly from the Binance application. Yes, with the latest feature from Binance, namely Bien squeezing. Yes, we will discuss how to get coins that are quite potential and may be listed on Binance Alpha or maybe balance future like coins recently. Well, in this video we will discuss some interesting coins, namely the first, how to get information on new coins that are quite legit, yes, which are quite potential. Then the second is how to get B Alpha points in a very easy way, as if we were using a cheat. Then the third is how to get cashback. So every time we trade on Binance Alpha, we will get cashback. Okay, so the first is Ben Mera. Friends, this is the latest feature from Binance. For the link, if you want to read it, please read the link. I will drop it in the description column and here. This bench wallet has squeezing. This is still new. Yes, there is a ticket here. There is all and then bench exclusive. If we open it, it is almost the same as on other Mechan platforms like those on other networks. Well, here there is a significant difference. Here we see, yes, this is still bonding. This is new and this has migrated. Yes, this is the one that is about to finalize its bonding. Well, we see here, there is nothing. Yes, there is no addition, and this has an exclusive, then this has V4 times 4, and here there is a description of the project. So what is the difference? This plain coin with the coin that has an exclusive ticket. Yes, here there is all. And this is an exclusive bench, so the difference is 4. The exclusive bench, later if you trade here, you will get 4 times the alpha volume. So you open it here, alpha, you uncheck it. For example, if you trade on TGT, on Phi, on DGSI, etc., yes, on Broccoli, or whatever, there is no ticket that is 4 times 4, whereas if we are talking about this, there is a sentence. So the difference is if you trade, for example, here 0.1 BNB 0.1 BNB, or around $100, yes, later your alpha volume trading will only increase by around $100, but when you trade in coins that have a ticket that is times 4, then you will get 400 volumes. So if you like to push bench alpha points, you can take advantage of this event to get alpha points. A lot of it, so if you push, for example, you want to get 16 points per day, 15 points from the alpha bench, so maybe you need around 33,000 trading volume. 33,000 divided by 4, how much is that? There are no 10,000 trading volumes, more or less. So this makes it very easy for those of you who like the alpha bench feature. You really like pushing the alpha bench point, this is very interesting for you. Then the next difference is for coins that have exclusive tickets, so it is different from other wallets. Maybe if you are a MetaMask user, an OKX wallet user, you can't buy and sell coins here, friends. So specifically for Binance wallet only, so the users are truly verified. Because if they use B wallet, they must have KYC and so on, and also for here it's pure, so there's no sniping, no bots, etc. So it's safer in terms of security. That's the difference between exclusive and non-exclusive ones. So the main thing is that here it's safer than non-user bench wallet that does not have keys. Yes, it cannot buy and sell points here, and also here there is a 4-fold increase in alpha volume. Well, and also for this exclusive bench, if the volume is good or from other aspects that are quite complicated, it will be fulfilled, then they have the potential to be listed in the Alpha Binance. Then we will go to the third point, namely how to get cashback every time we trade in the Balance Valet. So if you trade in DEX, yes, on the Web3, yes, of course you will be charged free gas every time you make a transfer trade and so on, but if you use a bench wallet, yes, keyless, you can get a cashback discount. How do you do it? Well, you just open your bench wallet, or if you are confused, I will share the link below. Then here enter the referral code, you just fill it in D1QVV79Z. Yes, then you confirm, then you will get cashback from every time you make a trade, transfer, and so on. Then you can claim the cashback in the referral here. In the referral section, you just claim it if you have often have transaction volume in your balance wallet. So that's more or less it for this video. So for this B Miras, which is an exclusive bench, it has the potential to be listed in Binance Alpha. In terms of security, it's better, there's no sniping, the user is really KYC Then there's alpha volume, which has a booster 4 times, and so on. Then when you push volume, you can also get cashback, yes, by entering the code earlier, and this is an example of airdrop a Binance Alpha. Yes, this is almost every day if you like to push Binance Alpha Points. Yes, this is for example the EE date, the 9th, the 30th of the 9th. In a day there are 2 airdrops like that. A29, there are also 2 from FF and X or Anoma E. Then the 28th there is 127, there are 2. This is almost every day a airdrop that is launched in Binance Alpha. So for those of you who like to push a Binance Alpha Points, yes, you can use this feature, and don't forget to use the code because later you will get cashback every time you trade. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.